Introducing Ilsintech's FTTH solution. Ilsintech is a manufacturer of optical fiber fusion splicers and splice-on connectors. And we will start from introducing splice-on connectors. Ilsintech's FTTH solution. Introducing types of splice-on connectors. SC-type splice-on connectors. FC-type splice-on connectors. LC-type splice-on connectors. ST-type splice-on connectors. Each type of connectors has APC, which is green, and UPC, which is blue. Cable sizes are 0.9 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, indoor cable, and so on. Introducing packing of splice-on connector. SC-type APC and UPC connectors. FC-type APC and UPC connectors. LC-type APC and UPC connectors. ST-type APC and UPC connectors. A splice-on connector is composed of a grip, a ferrule, an assembly, and a boot. Average insertion loss of splice-on connector is 0.2 dB and under 0.3 dB. Return loss is over 60 dB for APC and 50 dB for UPC splice-on connectors. Tensile strength for 3 mm diameter indoor cable is over 6 kg force and over 3 kg force for 0.9 mm diameter cable. Now introducing detailed features Ilsintech's Splice-On Connector. Ilsintech's Splice-On Connector is perfect choice for all aspects of price, connectivity, quality, durability, and maintenance cost. Now 3 characteristics of Ilsintech's Swift Splice. 1. Lower cost than mechanical connector. 2. Higher connectivity quality. And 3. Minimum maintenance cost. 1. Lower cost than mechanical connector. Two. Higher connectivity, quality, and minimum maintenance cost. 1. Quality of fusion splicing is a proven fact from backbone fiber cable connection. 2. Minimum maintenance cost. Now introducing Swift F1 Clad Alignment Splicer. Swift F1 performs all fiber termination and splice processes of stripping, cleaning, cleaving, and splicing in one unit. A Swift F1 unit allows convenient and fast installation work at all terrain conditions, on flat ground, on a power pole, in a bucket truck, and in a manhole. Now let's take a look at the Swift F1. Stripper unit. Swift F1's automatic thermal stripper leaves minimum damage to optical fiber in stripping process. Over 1 million cycle motor life is guaranteed. Fiber cleaning unit. Cleaning alcohol will be dispensed when pushed down. Cleaning alcohol is refilled. Cleaver unit. High-quality single-action cleaving is guaranteed by adoption of oil damper system. Life of the blade is over 50,000 cycles. Put fiber chips into chip collector after cleaving. Splicer unit. As Swift F1 adopts V-groove alignment, keeping V-groove clean and cleaning fiber are most important factors for best splice result. Sleeve heater unit. Clamp assembly on right side and block on left side can be selected and assembled according to cable and connector type. Batteries. 2 batteries are used. Over 120 cycles can be performed with the 2 batteries in Swift F1. Batteries can be charged using battery charger and battery level can be checked. Work table. Work table can be worn easily by fastening and is designed for easy field work and all terrains like manhole, power hole, and bucket truck. Swift F1 is a patented all-in-one unit performing all fiber termination and splice process of stripping, cleaning, cleaving, and splicing in one unit. Now demonstration of splice on connector assembly using Swift F1. Now indoor cable and splice on connector is connected. Boot and heat shrink tube are inserted onto the cable. Boot goes in first and then the tube follows. After stripping indoor cable for about 3 centimeters using jacket stripper, place the cable onto a holder. Place ferrule unit to a holder. Place the ferrule unit with the colored side facing up. Now we are ready to proceed. First, indoor cable is stripped. Close the cover on holder side first, and then close the cover on stripper side. Motorized unit will automatically strip the cable within 1.5 seconds. Remove the holder opening the cover at holder side. Holder unit will automatically return to ready position when the cover at stripper unit side is closed. A brush included in the Swift F1 kit should be used for auto stripper blade cleaning to minimize any small damage to fiber. Any small fiber waste can cause a crack to the fiber during stripping process. Fiber should be cleaned thoroughly. Cleaning is very important. Especially the 10 millimeters from the jacket is most important. Recommended cleaning wipe should be used for cleaning. Do not use ordinary tissues. Results in dust on V-groove. After cleaning, the fiber is cleaved. The fiber chip should be disposed into the attached chip collector for prevention of any danger. Fiber chips are put into the chip collector. An error can be happened during fiber alignment process if V-groove and fiber is not clean. A brush included in the Swift F1 kit should be used for V-groove cleaning. When a sticky foreign substance is on V-groove, use fiber end to clean V-groove. Place holder to left side of Swift F1. Strip fiber. Clean the fiber. Cleaning is very important. Continue to cleave the fiber. Place on right side of Swift F1. Check visually whether the fiber is well placed on the V-groove. After cleaning electric discharge and fiber alignment, the cleave angle is displayed. Estimated splice loss is displayed after splicing. Opening cover will initiate automatic tensile test, and tensile power is 2 Newton. Open fiber older covers of both sides. Hold indoor cable with left hand, and slowly take out ferrule part with right hand index finger supporting under ferrule cap. Do not hold the ferrule cap with fingers when taking out from the holder, as the fiber can be broken. Ferrule cap should be placed on the finger, not held. Then hold the cable vertically and slowly slide down the heat shrink tube so that the flange on the ferrule part is inserted into the tube. Make sure the correct position of the metal member in the heat shrink tube. Place ferrule part to the heat oven with the red dot facing front and close the cover. Push heater button to start heating. Do not run heating operation more than once. Must set proper heating time. Take out heat sleeve ferrule part and assemble with boot assembly. Assemble housing. Finished. Once again, cleaning of the fiber and the V-groove of Swift F1 is very important. Also, when taking out splice cable and ferrule part from holders, hold the cable with left hand and the right index finger should simply support the ferrule cap. We will repeat the process fast. After placing on holders, all the processes are finished within 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now we will do 0.9 millimeters. Next, connectorization of Swift Splice-On connector and Corning indoor cable. Strip the cable by 15 centimeters to 20 centimeters from the end, using jacket stripper. First, insert cable into 45 millimeter adhesive-lined heat shrink tube. Insert jacket-stripped 250 micromillimeter cable into loose tube to make it 900 millimeter cable, and then heat shrink the 45 millimeter tube. The 900 millimeter cable is treated in the same manner as in previous demonstrations. We will use 3 millimeter cable for demonstration. Tensile strength of over 6 kilogram force can be guaranteed when Kevlar fiber reinforcement is used. Here is the field we will assemble and install Swift Splicer on connector. There are two methods of connector installation at last mile. First, installation by two teams. Cables are installed by one team and Splice-On connector is assembled by the other team at DP of a power pole and TB of a house. The first team simply installs the cable, and the second team with the splicer follows and installs Splice-On connectors. With this method, installation work can be done at average of 10 to 20 houses a day. Let's see how this is done. Second method is one team does cable and connector installation at the same time. Splice-On connector is spliced and assembled on the ground and connected to the DP on the power pole. And then again, Splice-On connector is spliced and assembled and connected to TB of a house. Next, we will install Splice-On connectors in a house. Make sure that all fiber chips are completely collected into the fiber chip collector, as the chips can cause harm to people. Thank you for watching this video, introducing most economic, high quality, and durable FTTH solution from Ilsintech.